In this tutorial, I'll show you how to write code in Notion. Whether you're saving programming snippets, documenting projects, or sharing code with others, Notion makes it easy with built-in code blocks. Let's get started. Open the Notion page where you want to add your code and place your cursor where you'd like the code block to appear. Type code and select code from the menu. Notion will insert a dedicated code block that preserves your formatting and indentation. Paste or type your code directly into the block. Notion keeps the spacing intact, making your code much easier to read than in a normal text block. To improve readability, click the language selector at the top of the code block and choose the programming language you're using, such as Python, JavaScript, HTML, CSS, C++, or another supported language. This enables syntax highlighting for your code. If you're saving multiple snippets, add a heading above each code block with a descriptive name so you can quickly find it later. That's how to write code in Notion. Thanks for watching.